Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me these files, and they were actually doing this before I made the video last night about making this diamond-shaped pattern, and my hat's off to them. That's a great idea. I love it. But they had a couple of questions, and I know the answer of one, but I do not know the answer of the other. One of them is how to make this a clone where they could change the colors after they do them to kind of see what it looks like. Now you can see this is all one group. So we're going to go to Object and Group and Ungroup, and now we have different parts. I am going to take this thing and I'm going to go to Edit, Clone. I'm going to move the clone over here, and I'm going to group it together. And then I'm going to Control D, and I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. Now, to make this work, I'm going to move my clone out of the way. Trying to grab it without grabbing the other one. My clone is separate parts, but this is groups of parts. So if we look at it down here, it's 8 objects. So we're going to go to Group and Ungroup. Now we have individual objects. So let me move this where we can kind of see it and zoom in. Now we'll be able to change the colors. Let's say we want, well, let's just do it, the tip. Let's just take the pick tool and make it green, and it made them all green. I mean, this will work. You could do, as long as you select the middle ones without touching the other ones. So if you look, we have 7 objects selected. Let's make them yellow. So you can use the clone tool. Your original one looks a lot better than that. But you could go through here and select colors and do whatever you want to it. Now the other one, he called it an interactive gradient shadow, and I'm a little bit confused on that. Maybe he'll get back to me. There are 392 objects. The interactive fill tool just won't work. There's too many objects. It just won't work in this situation. I'm going to try to look at it again, but as right now, I don't have a clue. Anyway, I hope that answered at least one of his questions, and thank you for watching.